Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Wakakadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, and the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the whole tongue. And I say Shalom to the elders, wa Akim wa Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of this recent news article that I want to bring up from the JerusalemPost.com. And it's by Reuters, published April the 7th, 2024, and last updated April the 7th, 2024, and it reads, it says, Yemen's Houthis said they launched 2 missiles and drones at 2 Israeli vessels. It says the Houthis have continued to disrupt global shipping through the Suez Canal, forces shipping firms to reroute longer and more expensive journeys and impacting global trade. It says the Houthis group in Yemen said on Sunday that they have launched rockets and drones at British, U.S., and Israeli ships, the latest in a campaign of attacks on shipping in support of Palestinians in the Gaza war. The Iranian aligned group said it has targeted a British ship and a number of U.S. frigates, if I pronounced that right, in the Red Sea, while in the Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean, it has attacked 2 Israeli vessels heading to Israeli ports. It says the operations occurred during the last 72 hours. The Houthis military spokesperson, Yahya, if I pronounced his name right, Sari, said in a televised statement. He did not give further details of the attacks. It says early British security fire Embry said it has received information indicating that a vessel was attacked on Sunday in the Gulf of Eden, about 102 nautical miles southwest of Mulakala in Yemen. Vessels in the vicinity were advised to exercise caution and report any suspicious activities. The forum said it did not say who was responsible for the attacks or give further details. It says Houthis continues to target cargo vessels. Separately, a missile launched near a vessel in the Gulf of Eden on Sunday, but there was no damage to the ship or injuries to the crew. In the incident, 59 nautical miles southwest of the Yemeni port of Aden. The United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operations, the UK MTO agency, said the master impact of the vessels report a missile impact the water in a close proximity to the vessel's port quarter. The UK MOTO said in a advisory note, Slovakia. It says no damage to the vessels was reported and the crew reported safe, it added. It did not say who fired the missile or give further details. It was not immediately clear if the attacks reported by the British agencies were the same as the latest incident claimed by the Houthis. The Houthis' attacks has disrupted global shipping through the Suez Canal, forces firms to reroute to longer and more expensive journeys around southern Africa. The United States and Britain have launched strikes on Houthi targets in Yemen. This is the prophet Joel 3 verse 9. It says, proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war. Wake up the mighty man. Let all the men of war draw near, and let them come up. The prophet Joel chapter 3 verse 10, and it reads, it says, beat your plowshares and the swords and the pruning hooks into spears, and let the weak say I'm strong. And this is the book of Second Ezra 15 and verse 15. For the sword and the destruction draweth nigh, and one people shall stand up and fight against another with swords in their hands. Second Ezra 15 and verse 16. It says, for there shall be sedition among men, invading one another. They shall not regard their kings nor their princes. In the course of their actions and stand in their power. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of the rising tensions over there in the Red Sea between the United States and the Israel Defense Force in Great Britain versus the Houthi rebels over there in the Red Sea. And this was a news article once again from the JerusalemPost.com by Reuters as of April the 2nd, 2024, and last updated April the 7th, 2024, and it reads again. Yemen's Houthis said they launched missiles and drones at 2 Israeli vessels. So with that, once again, hopefully this lesson was edifying. And with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Makar and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, and the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashon Kadash, the Holy Tongue. And I say Shalom to the elders, Wa Akim, Wa Akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.